Jack, what are you making?
A leprechaun.
A leprechaun what?
I'm gonna trap a leprechaun. Yeah.
You're trapping a leprechaun. He's got all the ingredients. A box, some paper, some markers. Good luck, boys. Any luck on the leprechaun?
Not yet.
Let's see, where's the...
Where is it?
It's just by the stairs. I think someone will come soon. You guys are on watch. Be strong, you've got this. I am so excited because I'm going to get my hair done. I was ready to go get a box from the pharmacy, which box hair color, not a bad thing, but it's just one of these things I always treat myself like. Just always. Getting my hair done is just such a thing that I love to do. And oh, I can't take this red. My hair is not red. My hair is ashy brown. Like, this needs to go. I'm gonna get a trim, maybe some bangs. We'll see how brave I'm feeling. Bangs are quite a commitment. Anyway, I can't wait to change this damn hair. Let's go do it. I'm sorry, what? Yes, dark. Oh, I am here for this. All I need to do is put a little makeup on because it's always shocking when you haven't seen your face with the contrast. I'm a fair girl, but I am loving it. Got a little fringe, a little curtain bang. The length, the healthiness of my hair is so silky. If only you could feel this hair right now. Ooh, I'm so happy right now. Well, I'm back home and I'm just, you know, playing around with the new hair. Did my makeup, as you can probably tell. I've got a little cow look right here, so my bangs will have to get used to this new adjustment. But anyways, I'm actually going to paint my nails. I have no deadlines today, which is a first in a little bit. And I had my hair done and I treated myself to that nice lunch. And I just actually finished a bunch of homework with Jack. It's now 4. And I thought this would be the perfect time to do my nails. So I'm going to show you my setup. So here's what I'm using. I have this UV gel thing. My mom sent this to me. And she's got all these like nail stuff. She was really into doing her nails for a bit. Anyways, I just picked this up from Shoppers. So this is a top and yeah, base, primer, base, and top coat, which I didn't have. And then I actually just got this color. So my mom has a lot of fancy colors that she sent Esme and I, but I just quite like a really nice natural light pink. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm always a big fan of Revlon, but this is their cuticle oil. This smells divine. It's definitely almond oil based, and then a nail file. So that's that. A little self-care is necessary. I think everything got away from me in the last few weeks, and I feel like it's coming back with the light, you know, freshness and new hair and just sunshine and birds chirping. Like it's all coming together. I'm just starting to feel a little bit better, and I thought, well, why stop there? Do a few things to make me feel good, and doing my nails is one of those things. I'm not a big fan of doing my nails, but I do like the finished look, and so we need to do some work. And there you have it. My nails are done. My cuticles need a little work, but you know what? I'm not a magician. I mean, they look nice enough. Awesome. Hi guys, so it is Wednesday evening. Me and my hair went with Esme and we went to Value Village, and I want to show you the haul. So we picked up a bunch of stuff and we're returning 2 dresses, a shirt, and a pair of pants. So of course, the reason we went there is that they're having this dress sale or something. I got this email. Did I remember to show the code? No. Unfortunately, both dresses that we ended up buying did not work. So Esme chose them, but you can't really tell, right, until you try them on. Brought them home, not the ones that we were looking for. Sorry about the light changing. My lights are having a stroke or something. I don't know what's happening, but I'll show you what I did get. For me, I found this pair of vintage straight, they're not actually vintage, but these are Banana Republic jeans. I like the wash of them. They have that old vintage look. These are, I always size up in men's, so these are a 35, 30. They're loose, I need a belt, and they're short, but that's perfect because I just kind of do that little roll at the bottom, gives it a little cute little look. So there's that. And then I also found this in the men's section, an extra small Guess t-shirt. I like the stripes, and that was for me. For Esme, we found her this was in the men's section, a loose fitting Star Wars shirt. These cozy shorts, these are Blue Note. Then we have this funky little shirt, which I thought was giving off serious 90s vibes, right? With this texture and this color and this fun, stretchy, cute t-shirt. Really nice and soft and lived in, really cozy for around the house and playing in the backyard. And Jack said if I saw anything cool for him to grab it. And this just jumped out at me and amazing. Look at this, Adidas windbreaker, perfect for riding bikes. How much was this one? $9.99. Anyway, so I'm gonna wash these tonight. And I remember someone saying once that like, the smell that you smell when you go to thrift shop or shop anything secondhand is honestly just the mixture of fragrance from all of the detergents that are used. So I just move past that real quick. I don't really care because, you know, when you're buying stuff for kids that are growing at the speed of light, and also sometimes people just want new things, but new things are not always in the budget, especially during a pandemic, just throwing that out there. So anyway, she loves these little finds, cozy stuff to wear around, awesome jacket for Jack, and I'm thrilled about those jeans because I've gotten a little thicker, and I was explaining to Esme all about clothing that like, our bodies are not meant to fit into a certain size of clothing. Clothing is supposed to work for our bodies. When your girl gets a little thicker, your girl buys bigger pants, and that's the end of that story. You feel me? Big news, guys. Just heard from my surgeon and the pathology came back on my spot. All the skin cancer has been removed. Woo! I'm so excited. So it's all removed, and actually it was such a fluke that she called me because I've been having such an itch around where the tape was. It was driving me nuts. And she told me to come in. So I went in, she took the tape off, and she says, thankfully there isn't really too much inflammation around. So it's not like an adhesive reaction or allergy or anything like that. But she did say like, don't touch it. So I gotta be careful not to scratch, keep my hands away from my body. But overall it looks great and is healing wonderfully. And I'm gonna see her next week because she's gonna share with me like tips on how, like for scar maintenance to get the best possible scar type of thing. But it looks so good. So I'm just thrilled. What a good way to end the week. Friday evening, I got the tape off, scar looks good, no problems, no cancer. What? It's time for a glass of wine, okay? Okay. No. Stop everything. A cute girl had a haircut today, and it's not this cute girl. Somebody had a haircut, and she's feeling a little insecure because, like, she probably had her butt shaved. You know what? I'd feel weird too. She got her butt shaved. I'd feel weird too. Good morning, and welcome to Sunday. Dean and I are going to be preparing a lovely Sunday breakfast.
Do you want to see how I really cut a pepper?
Go.
Okay, watch this. Cut in half. Take 3 fingers.
Doesn't everybody do it this way? Oh, I didn't know people did it any other way.
Well, no, it's all over the internet.
Oh.
See, and then
throw those away. Done. Right, I'm gonna do some air fryer potatoes. I really want to try this air fryer potato. I had them when I was at my sister's. They were good.
You're really not gonna make
worry about it. Okay, I'm gonna make these potatoes without peanut gallery. Boop, boop. It turned out perfect. Total hit. I ended up doing 400 degrees for 25 minutes, but to be honest, I think I'll do 30 next time because I like them to have like a nice crispy exterior. So, love it. Also, if you've been following on Instagram, you'll know that Dean's working on a special project, and this smells so nice in here. Oh my goodness. So phase 2 for Hello Friendo, our shop, is candles, and they're so nice. I'm pretty sure Dean has 5 cents. I should say we, but Dean's really doing all the legwork. We have another one right here. Ooh, it smells, I think that's my favorite one. It's called Magic. Oh my goodness. So yeah, the candles will be coming soon. Obviously that's a tester. So there's gonna be beautiful labels and the whole thing, but they smell really nice, and he's done so much work to research the, you know, the type of wax we're using, the type of wick, the scents, the purpose for the scents. Like there's been so much thought put into this. So I'm really excited to share with you soon. I think we're gonna do a small drop to start, and then we have a huge launch coming in the summer. So very exciting.
Oh, wait.
Jack, what are you making?
A leprechaun.
A leprechaun what?
I'm going to trap a leprechaun. Yeah.
You're trapping a leprechaun. He's got all the ingredients. A box, some paper, some markers. Good luck, boys. Any luck on the leprechaun?
Not yet.
Let's see, where's the...
Where is it?
It's just by the stairs. I think someone will come soon. You guys are on watch. Be strong,
Whoa.
you've got this. That's how you do a Sunday. You make a leprechaun trap and then you watch for the leprechaun. Also, it's like, not the nicest Sunday. It's dreary and kind of raining. And anyway, I am cleaning bathrooms. So I'm on to bathroom number 2. Little time check because it's only 2:30, so I feel like I actually still have part of the afternoon to relax. My mom said something to me the other day, and I don't think she even intended it to come out like this. We were talking about our plans for the weekend, and I said to her, oh, I have to do this, I have to clean, I have to do that. And she goes, yeah, and then one day, you know, your kids will all be moved out and you'll have something like more free time or time to work on that stuff. And it's true, like one day, God willing, we all age gracefully and lovely and have the privilege of getting older. And it's like, the winter clothing turnover won't be so chaotic. It'll be 2 people, you know? And so I find like I have to kind of remind myself of this, like the chaos of this time is simply because it's this time. Like it used to be super chaotic when they were babies and it's just different now. It's a different type of, just a different type of energy you put into parenting and living. And I do find like I appreciate a really well, manicured, is that the right word? But well kept home where everything's super tidy and organized. And I really strive for that, but I'm also just a human being trying to exist. And I find that you have to find some sort of spot that's like comfortable where, yeah, it's a little messy because you're living in a place. It's not a show home, right? And I often think about that thing because I feel that pressure myself, like, oh my gosh, I'm vlogging, I'm showing you guys my home and I have parts of my home that like need work done and renovation. And sometimes I feel super vulnerable when I share the inside of my home because I'm like, it should probably look a different way because influencers lead this life where everything is like picture perfect. But then I remind myself that you're not here for that. You're not here for the shade of my walls. Here we are, midday on Monday. And I'm doing something different. It's 2 p.m. This is usually when I crash, or mostly around 3. But what's nice is tomorrow on Tuesday, I have a video coming out where I worked with a brand. So if you haven't watched it, go watch it. You know that's what keeps the lights on. And I'm really proud of it. The kids were so damn cute. Go check it out. I'm gonna link it below. Or above in the eye. Anyway, and so it's always a little bit wild when you're working on a sponsored project like that because it's like super chaotic in the moment because in the week that you're creating it, you're essentially doing double work because you're creating all your videos for the week and then the sponsored one. And so what I always forget is that come the week that the video and the project goes live, it's super casual around here because I don't have to do much except like put the video out. So I'm like, you know what? I don't have anything super pressing right now. I can stop and have a proper coffee and sit down and have like a coffee crisp because I got a little chocolate bar yesterday and play my video game for like a little break. Cute Friendo mug. Boom, be your own bird. Boom, coffee. I'm currently playing this game called Story of Seasons. It's kind of got a vibe of Animal Crossing. It's like a farm. Anyways, it's a really fun farm simulation type of game because most of the work is on the farm. It's not so much like relationship building, although where this differs from Animal Crossing is that you do form relationships with the people in town. And I think there's even the potential like you can get married. Like there's lots of options for that side of things. So right now I'm just trying to make friends with people and figure out how to get more hearts because I've literally just started. So anyway, I'm so glad that you joined me on this journey. I know that I've been thinking a lot how we've been together this past year, how I've been documenting this time. And I mean, what a time. I feel like I should go back and watch a video from this time last year to see how we were doing because it's so strange to me to think that this time last year we were just like hunkering down and figuring out how to quarantine, where now it's like we've been in it for so long that we're just trying to figure out how to lead somewhat of a normal life in and amongst, you know, this new way of doing things. So it feels lighter this week. It definitely feels lighter. I think you guys can sense it in this video. Thank you for all of your beautiful comments on the last few and on Instagram and everything. It's just been such a wonderful support. So on that note, I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks for being here. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye, guys.